Welcome to Campspace. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account. Go to www.campspace.com. You will then be taken to this page. Here you can click on Sign Up and enter your details. You enter your email address and your mobile number. We need your mobile number so hosts can call or WhatsApp you after you have paid for your bookings. Next, you can enter your password and accept the conditions. Then, click on Sign Up. Here, you can come to the page with all your personal information. By using this check mark, you can edit your details if necessary, add information about yourself, or add a profile picture. And here, you can change your password. We call this the hamburger menu. Here, you will find My Favorites, where you can save your favorite camp spaces. If you click on My Trips, you will find all your booked Campspace adventures and settings with all your personal information. I hope it's all clear. If you have any questions, please contact hello@campspace.com.